Hi, good morning, my dears. Today we are going to learn about echo, conditions for hearing echo, applications of echo, measuring the velocity of sound by echo method. Suppose we are standing an echo point. If we shout loudly, what will happen? We can hear the same repeated sound again and again. Why does it happen? Because of reflection of sound. This phenomenon is called echo. An echo is the sound reproduced due to the reflection of original sound from various rigid surfaces. Echo. What is echo? An echo is the repetition of same sound again and again due to the reflection of sound. Where do we hear an echo? We usually hear an empty space mounted by the tall surfaces, large empty canyons, deep empty wells. How we can hear an echo? Let us discuss with one example. If we clap the hands over the tall wall, we will also hear the same clapping sound again and again. Why does it happen? The clapping sound travels from all possible directions. When it collides the wall or obstacle, it gets reflected back to us. These reflected waves come toward us that we can hear the same repeated sound again and again. Are there any conditions to hear an echo? Yes, there are few conditions. It depends on the temperature of surroundings, the distance between you and the wall. Consider the temperature of surrounding is 20 degrees Celsius. At this temperature, the distance between you and the obstacle or wall has at least minimum 72 meter need to hear an echo. If only 72 meter or greater than 72 meter, only we can hear an echo. Less than 72 meter, we can't hear the echo. We are able to hear the original sound and its reflection at 22 degrees Celsius. The minimum distance between you and the wall is 72 meter. The velocity of sound in air is 344 meter by second at 22 degree Celsius. The persistence of hearing for human ear is 0.1 second, which means if we want to hear two sound clearly, the time interval between the two sound is at least 0.1 second. The minimum time between the original sound and echo must be 0.1 second. Thus we can determine the minimum distance between the source and the reflecting surface. The formula is distance equal to speed into time. Already we know that velocity of sound is 344 meter by second. The time gap is 0.1 second. When you are multiplying 344 into 0.1 is equal to 34.4 meter is equal to 2 times of distance. So we need a half of distance. The half of the distance 17.2 meter is the minimum distance for to hear an echo. The velocity of sound depends on the temperature of air. Next, applications of echo. Some animals communicate long distance through echo. Bat and dolphins sending ultrasonic sound waves and receiving the echo reflected from the target. So use this echo, find the echo location and help to find out the food also. Then echo used to find out the ultrasonic sound gain. The echo used to create the real-time visual image of the developing embryo or fetus in the mother's uterus. So this is the safest testing method. It does not have any harmful radiations. And echo is also used to calculate the velocity of sound wave in any medium. Then measuring the velocity of sound by echo method. Taking the distance between the wall and the man. To measure the distance between the wall and the man is 100 meter. Give this man 2 wooden blocks and get ready for clapping. The time is noted down in the stop clock. When the wooden blocks claps together, the sound waves travel towards the wall and then reflected back to the man, cause here an echo. So again do the experiment. We can hear the echo. The time taken is 0.5 seconds. Then speed equal to distance by time. The distance equal to 100 meter in forward and backward equal. So 100 into 2. The time taken is 0.58 second. 100 into 2 divided by 0.5 equal to, when you are calculating, 340 meter by second. The big problem is human hearing time is 0.25 second as average. So how we can measure the smallest time as 0.5 second without human error? Let's try the man clap to 10 times. Forward and backward hearing a echo. When you are clapping 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, likewise we can 10 times. When you are calculating, the time taken is 5.80 second. Again we can take the same formula, speed equal to distance by time. The distance equal to forward and backward equal to 200 meter into 10 times we can hear the echo. So 200 into 10 divided by time taken equal to 5.80 second. We take 5.8. When you are calculating, the velocity of sound equal to 340 meter by second. So using this echo method we can calculate the velocity of sound.